Are you looking for a maintenance-free condo with an incredible southern exposure with a view like this?
Or perhaps you're looking for this beautiful view right from your primary suite.
Now, Chad, today we find ourselves back at 6 Toronto Street, the Waterview, one of the most impressive buildings along Barrie's spectacular waterfront. We have today a real treat for you here. We have an over 800 square foot, 1.5 bath, 1-bedroom plan that overlooks Kempenfelt Bay. It's absolutely spectacular.
That's right, Unc, with some really nice southern exposure on that balcony. But it looks like we're on a construction site right now. We are not. You have a fresh makeover on all the common areas. We're in the lobby right now, floor to ceiling fireplace right at the entrance. It's beautiful. All the corridors, game room, all have a fresh look.
Yeah, over and above that as well, so does the party room, Chad. Not only that, but we have a spectacular pool and a beautiful oversized fitness that all overlooks the water. Now let's get up into the suite and have a closer look. You're gonna absolutely love this Windward model. We're well over 800 square feet. We're 9-foot ceilings, 1.5 baths, open concept and design, and you're absolutely gonna love this view.
Now, if waterfront living is what you're in this for, you're gonna love this southern exposure. Starting down at the end, you have the GO station, you have the waterfront. My personal favorite, you have the marina. You're steps away to all the shops and restaurants right down the waterfront as well.
Now, Chad, this is pretty cliche, but again, I go back to lifestyle. So if you look at what people really want to do when the weather starts to get a little chilly,
yes,
is they want to turn the deadbolt. They want to jump on the bird. They want to shoot down to Florida or Arizona, play a little bit of golf, maybe just chill, relax. And that is just absolutely perfect for a condo like this.
That's right, Unc. Now, we are the Knowles Wolseley team. We know Barrie. More importantly, we know condos. For more information on this one and more like, visit our website.